our Team Supremes, Team Supreme Pegasus Jude Atienza. Let's give it a warm applause. My mentor, Team Supreme Pegasus 1, Karen Key. Our Team Elite, Pegasus, Mon Ondo. And all the Team Elites in the house, our Star Achievers, and kahit hindi po Star, I welcome you to Riway. Good evening, everyone. So, with the product presentation po kanina na ginawa ni Mr. Soke, were you able to understand more about stem cell?
Yes.
Very much, no? Ang galing. Is Mr. Soke a doctor? No. But he was able to explain very well how stem cell works and how it affects our body. Okay po. And then of course, our MC, Miss Lani, she's giving life to the program today, no? She's very good with teeing up, and of course, yung sinasummarize niya every speakers. And also, our testimonies. Yung testimonies natin, nagulat ako kay Ma'am Wilma Seta. She's a stroke patient lying down, but now she has recovered, or she was able to get back yung life niya. Diba? That's what's important eh. Because most of mga senior citizens are affected with stroke, heart attack, but mind you, not only the senior citizens, even the young ones are affected. It's because of the lifestyle that we are having right now. So, only rice pa po more. Okay? But now, I was able to practice not to eat rice because of my mentor, Team Supreme Pegasus 1, Karen Key, because she said, I only put good things inside my stomach. Why eat waste? So, everyone in this room and everyone in Riway, mapamatanda, whether young, whether old, we learn something from them. And that's what's good in this environment. Because outside is a very negative environment about what we are doing right now. But inside, you will get back your energy. Because at times when you share to your friends, you are rejected. And the last testimonial, bata, is 11 years old, no? I have 3 kids. I have a 22-year-old, 15-year-old, and a 13-year-old. So, my daughter also has asthma when she was young. At the age of a month from the hospital, no? A month old lang siya, she turned blue. Kasi nga, she was like, hindi siya makahinga. She was, so what happened was, we rushed her to the hospital, and then she was given first aid. Yun pala, may asthma pala siya. So we have to buy this nebulizer. Every time, she has to take nebulizer and take yung mga Ventolin, other drugs. But, of course, I want a very good life for my daughter. So, trinay din namin to put her into sports. You know what? Swimming helped. It helped her because wala pang per year by that time. She was only, I gave birth 2001. So, wala pang per year at that time. So, swimming helped, other activities. But now, tatlo po kami in the family. Me, my daughter, and my middle child. Pareho po kaming merong rhinitis. Ubus na yung tissue sa bahay namin. We almost use up our tissue because atching kami ng atching. Do you know that sickness? Atching ng atching, konti, allergic rhinitis. Konti lang singhot namin ng puso or maalikabok yung bahay. We have this allergy. But then my kids, of course, tried taking per year. So, nag-okay. But going back to the testimonial, no, 11 years old. So, if he wasn't given the chance to take Prettier, do you think what will happen to him? Will he enjoy life? No, diba? For the rest of his life, I know some people who have asthma, alam niyo yung nakabalot pa sila in a balloon? That's how worst yung asthma nila. But I am so happy and glad what our product can do to children. Not only yung senior citizens, but to children because they are the future eh. So, I am so happy with that testimonial talaga. Akala nyo simple, but many people die of asthma. Okay, and ako rin po, when I gave birth, I did not have asthma when I was a child. Pero when I gave birth, at 29 years old, nagka-asthma ako. So how come, di ba? And I have all the allergies. I'm allergic to paracetamol. I'm allergic to a lot of pain medicines. So the only pain medicine that I can take before was Tramal. For my headache lang yun, no? So it's a cancer pain reliever, but I am taking that. So every time na I take it, yun na po, I vomit, I don't feel so well. So now, because of Prettier, I am able to, even if I have headache, I just take Prettier, I'm okay already. So the reason why po, I started with Reway was because of my dad who had cancer. So for some of you, you know my story already. So it's my dad who had cancer in 2013, prostate cancer. So yung mga doctors po, they say, you can get past that. That's only prostate cancer. Okay? So no need to worry. But don't you know that prostate cancer, as I have experienced with my dad, is a trigger for other cancers. So, of course, this is our own body. So we have to take charge of our own body. Di ba po? So, my dad went to the doctor and then the doctor said, you take, every quarter you have an injection. Okay, so for 6 years, he's been taking the quarterly injection. But in 2019, his cancer metastasized to lung cancer, stage 3. Okay. So after 6 months, in June of 2019, his cancer metastasized to stage 4 brain cancer. But what happened? We were just following the orders of the doctor. But what happened? So, in 2019 of June, the doctor said, you have to take radiation. Yeah, at 80 years old, the doctor ordered a radiation. So, because my dad is really still active, very healthy, as apart from him having these cancers, we went to the doctor, he was walking, and he said to the doctor, Doc, I still feel alive. I still want to live. So, as a daughter, who am I to tell him, no papa, don't take na the radiation, it will do more harm than good. But that's his life, that's his decision, so we are okay. So 10 sessions of radiation. After the third one, my dad do not want to go back to the session. Why? Yes. Yung good cells niya were also affected. He wasn't able to walk after 3 sessions only. So that's the time my sister came to know about Prettier in Singapore. And maybe we are really finding ways on how to help him with the pain, because at 80 years old, he still wants to live. What happened to the medication na binigay? So, it's our life. So, my sister said, Ate, I'll be sending you Prettier. let him take, and we'll see what happens. So while he's taking the radiation therapy, let him take this. Okay, so after taking, okay naman, but there was a time that he passed out and he cannot, like, he doesn't wake up. So the doctor said, if your dad doesn't wake up in like how many hours, we will put him in the ICU. And you have to sign this. We will do this, resuscitation, we will put whatever. Yeah, tube, we will intubate, like that. My sister is in Singapore. I am here. My brother is in Manila. But I am mostly the one with my mom. So, my mom said, can you take over? You decide. I'm the eldest. Of course, I want to decide, but I still have a mom. I still have a sister. But that calls for an emergency, so I have to sign. So, I asked the doctor over and over again, Doctor, will it really help if we intubate, we resuscitate, if we... It's the SOP, they said. But with that one, alam mo that you will have a hard time already. So I signed, no resuscitation, no whatsoever. We were in pain at the time because my mom doesn't know what to do anymore. So I have to sign it. And then my dad isn't still waking up. So when I went back to the room, I opened two Prettier, put under his tongue, opened it, put under his tongue. And then we went out, bought some food for him kasi naka-NGT na siya. When we came back, he is already awake. Wow. So, at that time, we were so happy. But of course, he still have to stay in the hospital. Prettier gave him a 6-month lease in his life, additional 6 months. Of course, yung ganun pong kalala, hindi naman, we weren't able to give him right away because we listened, of course, to the doctors. I'm sorry po dun sa mga doctors, ha? Hindi, I am not blaming you for what happened, or I am sorry. It's just that it is our experience. So, after that, he extended his life, 6 months, quality, why? No pain. Because some of the people who have brain cancer have like, tataas na po yung ulo nila, magbubukol na po. His wala. And if you take a look at him, he doesn't look like he has sickness. Kasi po, his face talaga, para siyang nagpa-cosmetic surgery. Yes. Because he was taking like, before, we don't know how to give him, how many. Of course, our mentor did say, oh, you have to let him take 9 capsules, 10 capsules, because they're Singaporeans, they think, you only want my money, ah. You want me to let my dad eat so much, so I'll buy more. They don't say that. They say, okay, try. So, my dad passed away peacefully. And then at the time, it was in November of 2019, I started doing Reway in June. And in August, I was able to go to Singapore to be trained because I don't have a team here. So I went to Singapore, they trained me for 1.5 days, went back to the Philippines. And then in September, I was able to share the beauty of Prettier to some people. I hit the rank of 1 star. So easy. So easy because I have friends who trusted me. Because in this platform, you have to have your friends who trust you. So I hit 1 star. In October, I hit 2 star. In November, I went to Thailand for the LDS. After that, pandemic came. We have a business, restaurant, food takeout counter was affected by pandemic. I had to stop doing Reweigh because I was so depressed. So for the whole of 2020, I did not do Reweigh, but I attended Zoom. I've been attending Zoom, but really my mind is, where will I get the money like this because it's pandemic? So, but in 2021, it's really like giving hope eh. So my mentor called me up. At times, I don't want to answer her eh. Every time she calls, I don't want to answer her. Because I'm in too much pain. Our business has closed down. How many? 1 resto bar, 4 food takeout counters. So it's like yung buong mundo mo bumaksak sa'yo, di ba? So I don't want to talk to her, but then finally I said, okay, I'll answer. So she talked to me, how are you? She didn't say, oh, are you doing your 1 star? Are you doing your... No, she did not say that. She did a relationship with me. And then, so it was in 2021, she helped me. I got the help of some of my friends also, because those who bought in 2019 was able to finish their therapy. So in 2021, after the pandemic, they all called, oh, I want a set, I want a set. So I was able to hit the rank of Team Elite Pavo. So I wasn't doing the system. Para lang po akong ahente, di ba? Because I just wanted to buy from you. But now, after that, hitting the ranks in 2021, with all the friends who trusted me, I'm trying to teach them how to do Reweigh. It's a long process, it's a hard process, but we just have to hold on. So, may I ask, why are you here today? Yeah, to give hope. And then for the newcomers, why are you here today? You were forced? They said we have a buffet. So what's in it for you today? You saw the product opportunity. You think po binibentahan namin kayo? Because it's a product opportunity. So what's in it for you? So,
Beautiful tomorrow.
okay, thank you po. Tama po. Change life, yes. For those who have been coming in for how many times, twice, so you know what Reweigh can give you. But for those first-timers, what's in it for you? So, picture this po. Now, at the present moment, are you happy with your current situation? Are you happy with your current situation? Yes. Be it financially, be it with your family, yeah, with your socializations. Because some people po, when they retire, they stop going out and, sorry po, they stop going out and being with friends. Because after retiring, they thought that I'll just stay home. So ano po yung nawala sa kanila? Is the training. Their life is gone. No more mental stimulation. Thank you so much. Pinigil ko po yung iyak ko. Napunta sa ilong ko. Okay. So, no more mental stimulation. And for some naman po, after retiring, they spent their 40 years working. And saan po napupunta? Bills, education of their children, thinking that if I make sure that my child studies and earn a degree, that person or my child will be able to help me when I grow old. Tama po ba yun? We are giving the responsibility to other people for our lives. So, some after retirement, yeah. And some get sick po. Okay? So, instead of enjoying their retirement, kasi I don't know how the retirement goes, hindi po ako retired. So I don't know how the retirement goes. At age 60, until you are leaving, you have pension. Tama po ba yun? Okay, for some, my aunt po from the US, she's been working very hard in the US, have work, and then meron pang part-time income. And then, when it's the time to enjoy her life, went back to the Philippines. What happened to her? Only 3 years in her pension. American citizen, a Filipino, they have big pension po, di ba? They have around 200 to 250,000 a month. So she was enjoying her life, but after 3 years, she passed away. Na-stroke po siya. And then the sister, who is also like that, also passed away. Imagine, in 1 year's time, yung pong the brother and 2 sisters passed away. Because they weren't responsible for their health. Ang naalala lang nila is that we have to enjoy life at 60. You want to enjoy life at 60 or 65? Why not enjoy life today?
Yes!
Yes? Start enjoying your life today. How? How to enjoy life today?
Enjoy freeway.
Yes. So, yes. So as I've said po, as Karen said kanina, happiness is different from one person to another. It's true. I may be happy because I have kids. I may be happy for single people. I may be happy because I have a lot of money. But those who have a lot of money are sometimes the ones who are really broken inside. At times, I'm not saying all of them are like that. So, how to have a life well lived. How to have a life well lived. So, yesterday, Karen and I were talking. You have to love yourself first before you are able to give something back. So like moms, no? Inuuna natin yung mga anak natin and we feel guilty. We feel guilty of having fun because we know we have kids that we have to take care of. But if we are so sad or so tired of giving away that happiness, we are also unhappy. So start being happy for yourself. Start loving yourself. And the world will be a better place to live in if we are all happy. I have read one saying that laughter is contagious. That's why in the mental hospital, when they laugh, everyone laughs. No? Pero sabi, laughter is the best medicine. But why is it those in the mental hospital are still ill? Isn't it ironic? It's like fun, naisip ko lang po yun. In Reway platform, it will give you the life that you want. To get back the life that you missed. Okay? The life that you deserve. Of course, it's a process. You can't get it right away. But in Reway, it can give you that because of the 6 core values. And our boss, our CEO, is very serious in making it possible for everyone. All of us have limitations. Don't think of your limitations. Think of your greatness. Everyone has dreams, but your dreams, you stop dreaming already. Don't stop dreaming because everything is possible as long as now you have a team in Reway, work with them. For those who are here, I cannot afford. You will say, I cannot afford, I don't want to buy. You are not buying something na it's an investment to your health. As of now, it's an investment to your health. After taking, you become beautiful. You become younger. So your friends ask you, how come come you don't have wrinkles? How come you look young? I'm 51 years old. So if you influence them, oh, because I am taking this. Oh, that's so expensive. You must be rich. Okay? So that's the time you will be able to discuss to them the platform of Reway. You know, I take this for free. Huh? For free? How? So bring them to Reway. Bring them here. So many leaders to leverage on. And as I've said, you have to be responsible so that your next generation will be able to enjoy the fruits of your labor, no? At hindi lang yung next generation, you now have to enjoy being here and being able to share to a lot of people. So, your responsibility to be a good person, your responsibility to make an influence or to make an impact in somebody's life is very important in Reway. That's why they train us. So, for everyone here, you've been hearing the LTS in Bangkok on April 27. You still have time to go. You still have time to book. Marami pa pong flights going to Bangkok from Manila. Because from there you will learn. At first, I don't wanna just attend because I don't understand anything. And especially, I belong to Team 37. All of them speak in Mandarin. I'm the only Filipina. Every time just like Karen is saying, every time she's in the Philippines, I don't understand Tagalog. But I don't tell her that I don't understand Mandarin. Okay? But you know, whenever when I'm with them, they sing karaoke in Mandarin. So I dance. They sing in Mandarin, so I join them. So I'm the only one singing in English. Okay? So in Reway, I gained a lot of friends, international friends. Okay. So with what you invest in Reway, you invested on your health. But Reway gave you a platform to use. The product is a bridge for you to be able to show to a lot of people this company is doing great things. It can contribute to nation building. Kung ano po tayo, if we are aspiring for the Philippines to grow, because a lot of people are still trying to bounce back from the economic crisis that we have experienced. It's just that a lot are close-minded as of now. So let them experience what Reway is. Let them experience what the culture of Reway is. So in ending po, I'd like to say that whatever happens to us, you've heard the presentation. You've heard of the opportunity. Are you willing to take responsibility of your happiness and the happiness of your family? Yes. Because Reway cannot only give you health, cannot only give you the wealth, but can give you the best version of yourself, or the full po na dapat we can gain and achieve. So that's what I am imparting, and hopefully with this one, next Thursday, bring along a friend because you might make a difference in that friend of yours. Okay, next Thursday or in any other meetings, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and hindi ko naman po lahat na nasabi sa inyo, but I hope that you go back to the person who invited you here, because that person who invited you really cares for you. And when you said yes to that person, you are saying yes to an opportunity that will change a lifetime. That's all. Thank you.